This is a short video on T codes, transparency codes. And so if you're enrolling for transparency for any specific product, this is one of the things that you need to keep in mind. There's a syncing issue between the European marketplace and the US. So in this example, let's say you are selling in the UK and you enrolled an ASIN to Amazon Transparency and everything is fine. It's been synced from UK to Germany and Europe, France, and everything. It's all good. So it's all been synced. But if you take the US side, that listing, that ASIN in the US will have a suppression straight away. It will be suppressed and it will come up saying, hey, fix an issue. In this case, you can see fix issue. And then if you click on that, it will come up and say, you need to request an approval. And that's a procedure that you have to do. So I will walk you through how to do it. Basically, you need around 5 transparency code in order to fix it, and you need to tick a lot of boxes. So it will read through it. The first thing, Amazon will ask a lot of questions. So ensure that your FBA inventory for the ASIN transparency, the barcode for them. Yes, again, it will keep on asking a lot of questions like this. So make sure that you read through it and then either say yes or no. In my case, it's all yes. So, and I'm happy to provide 5 transparency numbers by scanning, or you can just provide the 5 images. The problem with providing transparency code, normally when Amazon issues transparency code, it will not have any number on it. So you can use a mobile app to scan it, and that will give you the number, and you can provide the number over here. So you need 5 unique transparency code. So if you don't have, you can take picture as well. Both works well. And then you have to put the email, ideally the same email that you're using for your account, and the phone number. And you can just it will take around 48 hours for Amazon to go through it. And if everything is correct, Amazon will approve it and your listing will be back online. My concern, if it's like a best-selling item, it will be off for at least 2 days. So that's something that you have to keep in mind when enrolling products for transparency code. The issue with is the syncing issues between the European side and the US side. So you have to manually do this process. So you need to be prepared. When you have enrolled that product, come here, do it straight away. So you will not have that much of a offline effect for that listing. Let me know if you have any questions or doubts. Thanks a lot for watching.